Now on to question number 5. It says here we're given a function where we have fx is equal to square root of x, gx is equal to x plus 5, and we want to identify each of the following functions with one of the given options here. So first you want to find this root of x plus 5. So this would be definitely be fg of x, because you take f, substitute g into x, then you get square root of x plus 5. Okay, so next one, x minus 5. So x minus 5 is definitely going to be g inverse of x. So that's going to be making gx as y. Then you want to make x as a subject because we're trying to find inverse. So you move the positive 5 to the other side, it becomes y minus 5. Then we swap the x and y. Okay, then we'll get x minus 5. Next is x squared. So f squared is going to be f inverse. So in this case, you brought the square root to the other side, it becomes square, so x becomes y, fx becomes x. Now x plus 10. So x plus 10 would be g squared x, because if we have gx, that's going to be x plus 5. So then g squared of x would be x plus 5 plus 5, which is x plus 10. Okay, now let's move on to part B. Part 1 is given that hx equals to a plus b over x squared, where a and b are constants. Y is negative 2 to 2 is not suitable domain for hx, because between negative 2 and 2 there is 0, so x cannot be 0. If x is equals to 0, the answer will be undefined. Okay, now the last part, given that h1 equals to 4 and h-1 is equals to 6. So we have h1 is equals to 4. So h1 is going to be a plus b divided by 1 is still a plus b equals to 4. This is our first equation. And then our second equation would be h dash. So h dash means it is differentiating. So first step, second step. So hx is equals to a plus bx power of negative 2. Then h dash x is going to be equals to negative 2bx negative 3. So h dash x, h dash 1 is equals to 16. So therefore it's going to be negative 2b is equals to 16. Therefore b is going to be equals to negative 8. Then that leaves a equals to 4 plus 8. Since 4 minus b, negative times negative is positive, so a is equals to 12. So finalizing, you have a is equals to 12, b is equals to negative 8.